Grandpa!
Clampin'!
We're gonna be there in 47 minutes.
It's August. Why are they here?
Something's definitely up. Perhaps she's pregnant.
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Look at you. Whoa. Whoa. Where are you going?
I'm gonna find Walter. I wanna see who's around. Claire? What are you doing here? It's summer. Aren't you happy to see me?
Dad, no. Jacob and I are separating.
I'm worried about Mom and Dad.
We haven't told her yet.
I love Christmas because it's the one time we really are a family. I want one more Christmas.
If she wants Christmas in August, I'm gonna give it to her, and you two are gonna suck it up. 3, 2, 1.
I want Gams and Pop Pops.
Yes, we've got them both.
Okay, how are we filming it? We're talking about Christmas presents in August. Bingo for a 10-year-old girl, allegedly.
It's not Christmas without them.
What is this? She says it's snow, sir. Get the sniffer on this.
And I want the procession of Panettone.
Yeah, absolutely. There was not a transgression, there was a concession. That's okay, he's a priest.
Is that a tattoo on your chest?
Yes. You know what I love about you, Claire? You never give up.
We're going hot air ballooning. Can I use your credit card, please?
Yeah, we give you the credit card.
Children all dream
Brings people together.
We'll go up hating each other and come down loving each other.
to see if there might be a sleigh with 8 reindeer.
Relax, everything's fine!
Your love in action.
This Christmas
Come to the hotel, this Dolomitih for a truly family Christmas.
is near. Let's start decorating. I'm anticipating the very best day this year.
Merry Christmas.